What's up, guys? Today I want to show you the format of the internal and the external style of CSS. In my previous video I already showed you the tag style, so now I'm going to show you the internal style. Remember that I said the internal style is written in a tag form, so we create a style tag. We are still in an HTML document, but in between the style tags, we are going to write CSS code. So what did I just do? Inside this style tag, I was writing CSS code. Remember the type of tag that we are styling. It's that P. That's the first thing you're going to write. It shows what do you want to style, which HTML elements do you want to style. Inside these braces, you can see the work of the CSS. Remember what we did in the previous video, that this background color shows what part of the HTML element do we want to style, and this red shows what do we want the HTML elements to become. So no matter whether I delete this code we see that the CSS code still applied. So we are done with internal style. So what about external file? For that, we are going to open a new coordinate file. And then we copy the code, or we cut the code so that we could delete unnecessary codes. And this time, instead of text HTML, we save it as text CSS. This time we call it style.css. Then also save our HTML file.